Welcome back to Auto Road Review. Today we are diving into one of the most aggressive and futuristic performance cars people are already calling a dream machine, the 2026 BMW M9 Jet Storm. This car is imagined as the ultimate evolution of BMW's M philosophy, blending extreme power, luxury, and cutting-edge technology into one bold package. From the very first look, the 2026 BMW M9 Jet Storm feels like it's moving even when it's standing still. The exterior design is sharp, muscular, and highly aerodynamic. The front fascia is dominated by a wide blacked-out kidney grille with active air flaps, flanked by ultra-slim laser LED headlights that give the car a deadly stare. The hood features deep sculpted lines and functional vents that hint at the power hiding underneath. The Jet Storm styling package adds carbon fiber accents on the splitter, side skirts, mirror caps, and rear diffuser, making the car look track-ready straight from the factory. As you move to the side, the long hood and low roofline create a true Grand Tourer profile. Large multi-spoke alloy wheels with high-performance tires fill the arches perfectly, while massive M-branded brake calipers peek through, promising serious stopping power. The rear of the M9 Jet Storm is just as dramatic, with slim LED taillights, an aggressive diffuser, quad exhaust tips, and an active rear spoiler that adjusts at speed for better stability and downforce. This is a car designed to turn heads everywhere it goes. Step inside the 2026 BMW M9 Jet Storm and you're welcomed into a cabin that mixes luxury with motorsport DNA. The interior is wrapped in premium leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber trim. The M Sport bucket seats are heavily bolstered, providing excellent support during spirited driving while remaining comfortable for long journeys. Contrast stitching, illuminated M badges, and Jet Storm exclusive interior accents give the cabin a special, high-end feel. The dashboard is dominated by BMW's latest curved digital display, combining a fully digital instrument cluster with a large central infotainment screen. The system is fast, smooth, and packed with features, including navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, performance data displays, and customizable driving modes. A flat-bottom M steering wheel with paddle shifters sits perfectly in your hands, putting full control at your fingertips. Ambient lighting, a premium surround sound system, and advanced climate control make sure the M9 feels just as refined as it is powerful. When it comes to performance, the 2026 BMW M9 Jet Storm is all about raw excitement. Under the hood, this car is expected to feature a high-output twin-turbo V8 engine, possibly combined with mild hybrid technology for extra efficiency and instant torque. Power figures are rumored to be well above 700 horsepower, sending energy to all four wheels through BMW's advanced MX drive system. Acceleration is brutal, with the M9 Jet Storm capable of launching from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 3 seconds or even less. The handling is equally impressive thanks to adaptive M suspension, rear-wheel steering, and multiple drive modes that allow the car to switch from a comfortable cruiser to a track-focused monster. Whether you're carving through corners or cruising on the highway, the M9 Jet Storm feels planted, precise, and incredibly confidence-inspiring. Now let's talk about pricing. As a flagship M model, the 2026 BMW M9 Jet Storm is expected to sit at the very top of BMW's performance lineup. Estimated starting prices could range from around $180,000 to over $200,000, depending on options and market. While that's certainly premium territory, buyers are getting a combination of extreme performance, luxury craftsmanship, and advanced technology that few rivals can match. In conclusion, the 2026 BMW M9 Jet Storm is not just a car, it's a statement. It represents BMW's vision of the future of high-performance luxury, delivering stunning looks, a high-tech interior, thrilling performance, and exclusivity. If this car makes it to production close to these expectations, it could easily become one of the most desirable M cars ever made. Stay tuned to Auto Road Review for more exciting car reviews like this one.